Hey everybody, Toby here again. Just finished putting the last third coat of clear on this. I was going to film it, but got so darn cloudy in my shop having my door open that I didn't want to breathe all that crap when I was mixing my paint and everything. So close the door and shot the other couple coats. Hugger Orange, 76 Trans Am. There you go. Just let it sit for a couple days and then pull it out, start color sanding it, put it back together. If you're enjoying the videos, if you do, please like and subscribe. And everybody, thank you very much. Take care.